previously recorded.
Alright, y'all, so we're going to start right here with the refrigerator items so I can go ahead and get that stuff in the refrigerator. I have some strawberry lemonade from Walmart, mango punch from Walmart. All of this that I'm going to show you is going to be from Walmart. Sour cream. I have the singles cheese, American cheese, 24, and I got 2 of those. I have some rotisserie chicken breast and some chopped honey ham. I also have some Kobe Monterey Jack cheese, and moving right along over here in this corner we have, I went to Big Lots, so this right here is Big Lots stuff, and I got 2 of the 35 count paper styrofoam bowls. I have a 40 count of red cups. I have 4 packs of the paper napkins. I have a bag of the 15 count paper towels. Y'all know I like to go to Big Lots to get my paper towels because you can get the 15 count bags for $10 from there compared to going to Sam's and spending like $20-something. So I think that's the deal. Now back right here, this stuff right here is from Walmart. I have some soy sauce. I have some marinara sauce. I have some thick and chunky salsa. I have some ragu chunky tomato, onion, and garlic spaghetti sauce. And I have some grated Parmesan and Romano cheese. Hey y'all, it's your girl Tiana. I Can Only Be Me. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for coming. Today what I got for you is a home decor haul. Now, what I'm gonna be showing y'all is stuff that I have purchased for my new home, and I'm gonna be decorating and stuff like that. So I was just going to get little eyes in me and stuff. So I said let me go ahead on and show y'all what I got, because I have been shopping and stuff, but I hadn't had a chance to really show y'all what I had purchased because I was just putting the stuff up. You know, it was just a little bit here, a little bit there, but this time it's a little bit more that I bought. So I say, well, let me go ahead and do this video for y'all. So here I am. So let's get into this video. Thank you for coming, and I hope you enjoy it. All right, so the first thing I got is this lamp, and it comes with these gold tan looking lampshades, and I love them, and I found them actually on Facebook Marketplace. And so these are some nice lamps to go in my living room. When you guys see my home decor, you're gonna be like, oh yeah, Tiana, those is a perfect match. But I found these, and this is what they look like, and they kind of like brick effect, like the way that they got the decor on it or whatever, and then it's chocolate, and it got little streaks of gold in it right here, or should I say bronze, copper, or something like that. However, it looks good. So I got these lamps, and I got 2 of those. All right, so now that's it off Facebook Marketplace. Now I went into Ross first though. I went into Ross, and I found these cement elephants. I found these right here, and I was thinking about painting them, but I might let them stay the color that it is, and they is heavy, y'all. Some heavy little elephants or whatever. And so I found these right here. The trunk is down, but it's turned up on the tip. So I was like, you know, maybe that's a good thing. I don't know. I'm not really all into the behind the scenes stuff about, you know, elephants and stuff like that. So I just got it because of the theme that I went with for my living room. So I got these right here, and they were on sale for $7.99. So I got 2 of those. Couldn't beat that. Couldn't leave it in the stove. Bad as I wanted, I didn't want to leave it in the stove, but I was like, no, I ain't gonna leave that in the stove. I'm going on and get that. I could do something with that right there. So I got 2 of them. And so, and they cute. I don't know if y'all saw them close up or not, but they cute. I don't want to be all up in your face, but that's what they look like right there. So I got those. All right. Okay. So then in Ross, I found these pillows. And y'all see that? Child. Ain't they cute, y'all? Child. Ain't they cute? So they is red. I got 2 of these pillows to go on my couch. And I just love them. It's in the back side, it's like suede. Hold on, y'all. Okay. So I got 2 of these pillows right here. And they came from Ross. And they were $12.99. Yeah. $12.99. $12.99 a piece. So got those. And they are made by My Loft. No, Home Dynamics, I guess. I don't know. So got those. Alright, so then I got me just one of these, this pillow right here. I know it's like a mustard yellow color, but at the same time, and the way that I'm gonna style it is almost like a gold to me. It have like gold, the gold trim, decor in it, all that is gold. But I know it's like a mustard yellow, but it's still gonna look good because I wanted to. The way that I'm gonna put it on, this chair is gonna look like a gold, honey. If it ain't gold, it's gonna be gold today, okay? And I got this. They only had one. I wish they would have had 2, but I got this on sale. No, it wasn't on sale. The price of this one was $9.99. I don't know if y'all can see that, but I gotta get on up here so y'all can see. It was $9.99 for that pillow. So now, moving right along with Ross. Okay, so I also found in Ross this little plant. Ain't this cute? Y'all, ain't this cute? I mean, just beautiful. And this was $8.99 for this little plant. And it's like a matte black. I love it. They only had one. So I was like, I didn't want to leave it there because I know that I needed it. So I was like, that one, it'll be just fine for where I'm going to put it at. Because I was going to use it in one spot if I had 2. But since I only got one, I got a perfect spot for it. Alright. So, then in Ross, I got this gold and black little picture or whatever, $5.99 for it. And so it says shine bright. Then I got a welcome mat, and it was only $6.99 right there. So I got that. I need me a welcome mat, y'all, because honey, when I tell you, with these floors, these wood floors, and coming in and out and having a sweep, honey, when I tell you, y'all, why y'all ain't tell me the dirt and the dust they collect, child, honey, whew, I get tired of sweeping. Okay, so then, let's see. Oh, I got another thing from Ross. I had more. Where are they? Oh, hold on, y'all. It's over here. Okay. So then from Ross, I got another picture, and it says, "Find your voice, make a difference, believe in yourself, change the world." And I got that right there. And it was only $5.99 as well. And that's in gold. Gold and white background on that one. And then I got from Ross. This little decor right here. And it's gold. And then it got glitter all in the lettering. And it says love. And it was only $6.99 for it. And that's what it looked like, y'all. Like that. And then the back side is just plain gold. And it was $6.99. So I like that. That was cute. I had to get that. Oh, y'all know us Florida people. Y'all be like, dang, tell me show got a lot of gold, girl. What's your thing? What you going with? I see the red. I see the gold. I see the little. Y'all gonna see. Y'all gonna see. Y'all gonna see. Just hold on. Just hold on. Let me get it together. Okay. So, all right. So now I left Ross, went to Burlington. Child, I was just on a little shopping spree today. So I left Ross, went to Burlington, and when I went up in there, I was looking for, you know, just little odds and end decoration, maybe a rugs or something like that, you know, for my kitchen, something like that. I still ain't found me no rugs for my kitchen, but I went up in there and I found this gold little leaf right here, and they were on clearance for $7.99. And I wanted to actually get this other style that they had, but they was $9.99, and I was like, no. I'm just going ahead on and go with this one right here for $7.99. And if it's meant for me, then I'll come back and get the other one if I can find where I want to put it. Those at. But for right now, I got two of these. I got two of those. And they cute, ain't they, y'all? Ain't they cute? Child. Miss Decorator. So I got two of those right there. Okay. So then in Burlington, I found this M. Had to do it. I had to. You know, got to represent for me and my husband. You know what I'm saying? I had to. And this was only $5.99 from Burlington for this initial decor. So got that. That was cute, y'all. I like that. Had to get it. Come with it. I couldn't leave it. Okay. So also from Burlington, child. Walked down the aisle and let me see if we still recording, child. Hold up. Okay. I walked down the aisle, right? And I wasn't paying, you know, I was looking, thought I was looking, and was about to leave off the aisle, but some say back up and just go one more time. So I backed up, and I looked. I said, I know that ain't what I think I see, child. It was three of them sitting there, but one the same color and one of them another color. I said, I know that ain't what I think I see, child. Child, when I went and I picked it up off the shelf, child. Child, honey, tell me why it was a cheater just sitting up there waiting on me, child. On sale, okay, for $7.99. But hold up. Okay, so I was looking at this one, and this one here had a little crack. They gold, y'all, just in case y'all wonder what color it is, but they gold. I was looking at this one, and this one got a little bitty hairline crack on it. Right there. Ain't nobody gonna see that. You know what I'm saying? Look at it, y'all. Ain't it cute? Ain't he cute, child? Yes, girl. So, when I got to the register, hell, it was already on sale. You know what I'm saying? I say, ma'am, these right here is on sale for, what is that? $7.99 or $8.99? Hold on, let me show you. I say, ma'am, these right here is on sale for $8.99. I said, but this one right here got a crack. I say, so can y'all mark a little bit off? She said, okay, I'll mark it off 30%. Child, I got it for $5.98, honey. She said, it's 30% good. I said, okay, child, honey, get a deal when you can. So, baby, child, that's just what I needed. I needed them. I needed them. You hear me? I needed them, and I got a perfect spot. Perfect spot for them. So, that is it for my haul, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this haul. And y'all just stay tuned for, you know, decor, decorating and stuff like that. I'm going to try to bring those type of videos to y'all. It's just that I haven't because I just been getting a little stuff at a time, like 1 or 2 pieces. And I don't want to just be like, oh, I went and bought this and I'm going to put it right here and that's it for the video. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I haven't been doing the decorating videos. But I am going to try to bring those to y'all. They coming. Trust me. They coming. And y'all gonna love it. Alright, but I want to thank y'all for coming. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Peace, love, and many, many blessings to each and every one of you guys. And until the next time, this your girl Tiana. I gonna be me. Y'all be blessed. And don't forget to ring that doorbell and hit that subscribe button. When I say ring the doorbell, that means hit the thumbs or the like button. Y'all help the girl get on up there one time for the one time, if you don't mind. And also, if you want to be a blessing, you can hit that Cash App up. $ROC, the letter NTT. Y'all have a good one.